Sneak this in real quick for you guys. Close the door. All right. What's up with you guys? I know it's been a minute. It's been crazy, right? Um, First of all, happy 4th of July to those that celebrate. To me personally, it feels like the 4th, but don't feel like the 4th of July because of all what's been going on. And real ones know, man, it's a bit Shady McGrady going on in the U.S. right now. I mean, I'm not saying it's all bad, but it's definitely not all good. You know what I mean? So, um, it's the 4th. I'm sneaking away because I really want to get this review up for these guys, for you guys. I Right now you're probably checking out my Japan vlog. I've been doing a lot of work editing everything down, trying to get it right, get it tight, you know what I mean, ready for a view. There's more of it to come. It's just a lot that I recorded. Didn't realize it was so much, but yeah, we're gonna get it done. Trust that. But like I said, the reason why I'm here, like I said, I ain't got much time, so let's do this quick. You see it with the shiny face, Mr. MJ himself, Mr. J. Jordan. And these are the sleepers of the year. You hear me? Listen to what I'm telling you. Don't tell nobody, because we don't want no hype on these shoes. We want the people who really want these shoes to have a chance to get them. Even if they slipped up, maybe they got the money now to go back. It's the 4th of July. It might be some sales today so they can get what they need. You feel me? So, without more hesitation or waiting, let's jump into it. These, if you've seen the box, and I don't care who did the review, because ain't nobody doing the reviews like the way I do these reviews. Y'all know that. And that's why you're here. Size 12, my size, fresh out the box. Jordan 3 Rare Airs. Let's go ahead and get them out. Damn. Boy, take a look. But buttery. Buttery. You see that leather fresh out the box? That's extra buttery. Y'all can't beat this, bro. Who beating these sneakers? And I'm going to tell you why. But before we get into that, let's take a look at the box. Because you know, the kid, your sneaker guy, the man that does it all. My name is Fame, and I'm here to entertain. You dig? I'm going to show you what you know, Jordan Flight on the box on the inside. You feel me? And yeah, green dot gang. And why I'm showing you this, because I mean there's a lot of reps going on now. You know, a lot of people starting to order that China vagina. You feel me? And you know, if you need to save money, do you. But me, I gotta keep it OG. And I don't rock fakes, bro. Y'all can tell back by here, we don't do none of that fake life. We keep it real. 1,000. Feel me? So, anyways, let's get into the shoes. Matter of fact, let me get the other shoe out. That's what it's about. And I'm going to tell you why I believe these are the sleepers of the year. You hear me? First of all, let's take a look at that back tab, because that's what it's really about. You know what I mean? That's that me versus me type of energy. And most sneakerheads, when they wearing brand new shoes, they sort of have like that type of stance, you feel me? So it's definitely something that's unique. You don't see these on any other pair of Jordan 3s where the logos are mirrored in. Never has this been. I mean, I don't know. Maybe, look, I don't know when. And like I said, I got collections. I got 3s all down, all up in there. We ain't going to bring those out. But one thing you is going to notice straight off top with these 3s right here is that quality over quantity. There's a lot of them out there because people are slipping and tripping. Shh. Let's keep it between me, you. I don't know about him back there, but the rest of y'all cool with me. You feel me? So these Jordan 3s right here, quality are off the charts. The leather, extra buttery, the way you want it to be. You feel me? the back heel tab, like I said, with that off-white yellow, you know what I mean? And that's the color I'm gonna call it. I think they call it the reimagined for some reason. I don't know why, but me, I'm going with that off-white. And that's what you got right there, that off-white, you know what I mean, going around. Then let's take a look at that suede. Look at that. Kid scratching all day long. Ain't nothing falling off. That's that real good high quality suede. And the suede on this one, normally it's like an elephant print. But with this one, it's just plain. And then when you look at the front toe on that jab, you feel me? Same quality, but different suede. It's two different colors of suede on here. Man, hey, they are playing games, bro. If Nike was to continue to make shoes like this and put the imagination and quality all into one package and give you this type of heat off top, things would look a whole lot better than what they doing now. And then you got that blue. That blue is hitting. I'm not tripping. This blue, I mean, you see it. You see it. Inside on the heel tab right there says rare air. Ain't nothing rarer than being rare. I love the most rarest, hottest collection. I'm a sneakerhead, aka sneaker guy. You guys named it. I'm here to entertain it. You feel me? But look, these right here are the sleepers of the year. Let's go off with an important part that a lot of people don't notice. On the tongue. When you look at the tongue on these Jordan 3s, just the way that they wrap it around, very symmetrical. There's no cuts, no mistakes. It's perfect. Like I have never seen a Jordan 3 where the tongue was as perfect as what these are coming up as. You feel me? Like you can't beat that. You can't beat that. I mean, you go look at any of your Jordan 3s. Take a look into this tongue area right here, how the mesh on the inside meets the insole, and I'm sure you'll see different types of stitching, off stitching, some cuts, uneven, you know, different things. But like I said, they got it perfect on this pair. Then you look at the bottom. You got the red toe jab right there. So that way, you know, that's that free throw line. You know what I mean? That jump from the free throw line. People don't pay attention to details. That's from that free throw line. That's that Jordan from the free throw line. You feel me? With the off-white on the bottom to, you know, match all the sides. Once again, that blue is hidden. And then, I mean, when you look at the quality of the way that the shoe is made, bro, like that light ain't lying to you. Got the little triangle right here on the toe box to give you the authentication to let you know that it's been cut and made by Nike. You feel me? And then, you know, it's double stitched up all the way around in the perfect place. And that's one thing that people don't really know about the brand, is that when they do their stitching, they make sure that they double stitch it to make sure that one is a signature thing, and then two, to give you that high quality look. But yeah, man, these are the Jordan 3 Rare Airs. If you ain't slept, go get you a pair. You know what I mean? You should have a pair. I'm hoping you got them, because if you don't, possibly sold out by now. It took a little while. No problem. Like I said, when I buy shoes, I don't buy them for the hype. I buy what I like. And a lot of people, for some reason, before they came out, there was a lot of hype around these shoes. You feel me? A lot of people wanted them. But now people are like, oh man, you know, they GR. Everybody can get a pair. They're going to be at the outlet shoes. Let them be in the outlets. I'll buy them from there. I wouldn't care, bro. Buy what you like. That's what's going to make you happy. Who are you trying to impress? To me, it's lame to try to impress the next guy on a pair of shoes that you both feel hype about. And I mean, it's a lot of people that told me to buy certain shoes and I didn't buy them. I only buy what I like. And that what makes me different. So be different. Take a chance. And I'm telling you, you can't go wrong. Now, coming inside these is some shoelaces they gave you. Some off-white colored shoelaces. You know what I mean? With the cream. I think that looks good. But me, I'm going to try to do my best. You know what I mean? And try to find some blue laces. That's the same color of this racer blue. I believe that's what it's called. Racer blue there. Let's see what they got on the box. They call it, shit, a Rogue Chili. I don't know what that means, but hey, look, bro. I'm gonna find me some laces that go and match with these. But like I said, bro, I had these on our podcast, the Bottom of the Soul podcast. Shout out to Bottom of the Soul podcast. If y'all haven't checked out any of those episodes, we're talking about sneakers, we're talking about music, we're talking about culture, real grown man conversations there. You feel me? So if you are into a podcast that's hypercritical or talking about, not just shoes, but everything in life, check out the Bottom of the Soul podcast. The kid is a co speaker on there, and I'm giving you everything besides shoes and everything else. I'm giving you myself on there, but y'all here for the kicks, so that's how we gonna do it. And then, like I said, bro, these Jordan 3 Rare Airs, bro, if you ain't got a pair by now, bro, y'all sleeping on these, man. I mean, you can't really beat these, bro. I mean, if these came out, in my opinion, 2 years ago, before the Katrina 3s came out, it'd be way more hype. But a lot of people wind up getting the Katrina 3s because they wind up getting released over and over and over. I think you guys call them the original cement 3s, the all black pair with the red. I got them somewhere around here in this room. But if these would have came out before those did, trust me, everybody and their mama would be, resale price would be off the charts. Well, the resale game is right now, which is fine with me. I don't really buy shoes to resell. I'm not a reseller, so I don't care. I'm actually hyped for the people that can get what they like for a decent price. So if you're a sneakerhead, you're living in bliss right now. This is the, I don't even know what to call it. But, like I said, I just wanted to go ahead and sneak away on this holiday and do a quick review on these shoes. Jordan 3 Rare Air, to me, sleeper pair of the year. If you see them on feet with somebody rocking the heat, you know what I mean? You'll see what I'm talking about. If you ain't got a pair and you take a look at these shoes in person and you tell me what shoe this year has better quality and better materials than these shoes. And it's a hard argument. Unless there's something like some exclusive Travis Scotts or, I mean, you name it. Something crazy that's got released and there was only 700 pair or 1,000 pair, made. Jordan 1, Swarovski Crystal. It got to be something crazy like that. Otherwise, I can argue that these right here, grand release in every store, even your outlets, are better than any other pair of Jordans that's been released out as far as quality. I mean, and that's right now. I'm gonna speak the truth and I'm gonna stand on it. I mean, we got the rest of the year, we got other pairs that's coming out that might be better than this. Who knows? But as of today, July 4th, 2025, I'm telling you, Jordan 3 Retro Rare Air OGs are the sneaker of the year. And you heard it first. Alright. I think I made a little bit of noise here. I think it's time for me to get back to doing what I do. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your 4th. This is your favorite sneaker guy, aka Fame, here to entertain. I hope you enjoyed this look. Like, subscribe to this video. Enjoy these Japan videos while they going up. Like I said, there's quite a bit more coming. So if you're sticking around the channel, trust me, we're going to get to these kicks. We're going to get to them because that's what I'm here for. Trust that. But like I said, right now, it's just a little switch up. Just giving you some things that I've been doing, a different point of view in life, a little bit different type of motion. Don't get me wrong, there's definitely sneakers in there too. So it ain't all just, oh, bro, you on vacation showing off. Nah. I don't get down like that. So definitely enjoy those Japan vlogs coming up. More of that coming up. I just want to sneak in this review. I got more shoes, more surprises, more opinions. And like I said, we haven't even started digging through these box stacks. And that's going to happen. That is going to happen. Hopefully soon. For now, peace out.